Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Nissan remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is remove this top cover here. We do that by sliding it in that direction there, which releases it. I'll just show you. And there you go. If you ever need it, there is the emergency blade. It is just tucked up inside the key fob. Now what we need to do is get our flat-headed screwdriver, like this one, and there's just a small indentation here in the corner of the fob. Just enough room to pop it in and give it a twist, which releases the two halves of the case. And there is your key fob battery. Just get a smaller screwdriver and just simply prise it out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing. We're making sure on this one that the writing is facing downwards like that, and we know it's in its correct location. Now it's time to pop it back together. So we get the other half of the case, make sure everything lines up, and we just click it in place. Now we just need to get the top half of the case, pop it on top, slide it across, which locks it in place. And there you go, it's all done.